Alright, battery 1 has been on a 2 amp trickle charge for about a week now. This is with salt. We're going to do a load test and then possibly switch it back over to acid to see if we can recover. Showing 12 volts. Let's see if it'll hold the load. It's holding it right at 9 volts. It's not horrible. We'll put acid in and see if we can keep it. Alright, same load test for battery 2. It's also been on a trickle charger. Voltage is right about 12.9. And we'll do a 10-second load test. And this is on salt. These batteries wouldn't even turn on that battery tester. Alright, 4 seconds. These batteries do hold a 100 amp load. Turn those coils red.